What's up mga kalinga? Welcome back sa ating channel. I'm Mark Banuelos, your millennial hustler. And for today's video ay gagawa po tayo ng Facebook page para sa ating online business. Bago tayo magpatuloy, please do consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button and hitting that notification bell para ma-notify po kayo sa ating next na mga uploads regarding business and anything in between. So, without further ado, let's get in straight to the video.
Ayan, so we're now here at my Facebook account. So for you to be able to create a Facebook page para sa inyong business po is you have to have an existing Facebook account, or kung wala kayong account, you can borrow an account from your mother, brother, sister, or kung sino man na pwede kayo makagawa ng Facebook page para sa inyong business. So what we're going to do here, actually there are two options or maraming options. So the first one is if you're on the landing page of your Facebook account, you have to click this home. Ayan, click home, then you will be redirected with this parang ganitong window. Tapos as we can see here on the upper left corner, we can see itong mismong account natin, COVID-19 Information Center, Friends, Messenger. Click natin itong pages. Then, ayan, click pages. And makikita natin, ang dami na natin mga gawa-gawang pages dito. As you can see here, may plus sign dito, create new page. So, ito yung i-click natin for us to be able to create. Ito yung i-click natin for us to be able to create a new page. Then, mapupunta tayo sa ganitong interface. Other thing is, pwede tayong pumunta sa www.facebook.com/pages/create. Then, click enter. Then, ayan, you'll be there redirected sa the same page. So either of the two ways will do. So nakakagawa po kayo ng Facebook business Facebook page and makakagawa po kayo ng the same result kahit anong way yung gagawin ninyo. So as you can see here on the upper left corner, may makikita tayo ditong create a page, page information. So these are the primary details na kinakailangan nating i-fill out para makagawa tayo ng page. So in this case, may naisip na ako na page name, sell PH. Let's try to know if it is okay. So pag may check mark, meaning to say that that page name has not been taken yet. So wala pang nagmamay-ari ng ganyang pangalan na business page or page name. So it's okay. Category is depende on what's the purpose of your page. If you created the page para sa inyong online business, online selling, or you are retailing something, so pwede kayong maglagay ng retail or shopping, pwede din shopping and retail. You can add up to 3 na category dito, so pwede din clothing, depende on what's the purpose of your page. So in our case, let's try to make it shopping and retail na lang. So pwede ding isa lang or pwedeng maraming category, at least maximum of 3. On the description, we have to create or write about para saan itong page na ginagawa natin. So for example, you are selling, so for example, an online store for a pocket friendly price. So it's up to you on how are you gonna make or how are you gonna describe your page and how are you gonna highlight your competitive advantage para mas lalong tumatak yung page na gagawin ninyo based on your description. Pwede din you're going to describe what you're selling or what's the purpose of your page. Pwede din ilagay dito, or you can use your local language, depende sa inyo on how are you gonna communicate to your possible customers na pupunta sa inyong store. Since we're done with the description, click create page at the bottom part, create page, Then it's still loading. And after that one, yeah, nakalagay dito may mag-pop up na message. Our store sell PH was created. So we can now add images. Images are very important in a store because it will speak in behalf sa kung anong store yung ginagawa mo. So it really speaks a lot about your business page sa Facebook. So we're going to add profile picture, and since I have a pre-made here, may nagawa na akong parang logo-logo. So later on, I will try to do some basic tutorial na di kinakailangan ng technical skills para gumawa ng mga ganitong logos sa business page on our next video. So we have here profile photo. Profile photo, ito yung makikita dito. Ayan. So if you're building a Facebook page na para pang isa kang author or isa kang influencer, so you can add your picture here. Depende sa kung anong gusto mong ilagay dito, anong trip mo. But the bottom line of this one, that is your profile photo should speak for itself. So this time, ito yung parang badge lang yung ginawa natin. Then after that, let's add the cover photo. Cover photo, may ginawa din tayo ditong cover photo. Madalian lang to. Using canva.com. So I'll make some tutorials of canva.com after later. So ito may yan. Ito yung parang banner page, desktop preview. Ito naman yung kung sa cellphone bino-view ng customer mo. So sa cellphone sila nakatingin, ganito yung parang dating. So this is the banner, Facebook banner. Ito yung parang logo mo. So, very elegant tingnan, 'di ba? Ito din yung sa desktop. So pag nasa computer sila, ganito yung makikita nila. So it's very appealing, and yeah, on your banner page yung sa ganito, cover photo, it's up to you if you're gonna include your items, kung ano yung binibenta mo, or maglagay ka ng mga details dito, contact number. It's up to you. I'm going to make a tutorial about that one, kung paano gumawa ng Facebook cover photo para sa inyong business page. So our business page looks quite good. So we're going to click save. Ayan, so yung mga preliminary details ay naka-save na po, and we have now our Facebook page. Ayan, ito na yung business page natin, kumbaga. So, let's try to make it as customized as possible and as attractive as possible. Mas attractive, mas kaiga-inganyo sa ating mga customers. So, we're going to manage page. So, as you can see here, this is the parang interface ng inyong Facebook. So, Facebook page. So, pwede ka na mag-invite ng friends mo to like your page or possible customers, or pwede ding mag-boost ka na for Facebook ads. So, makikita mo yung mga insights dito kung ilang people na yung na-reach mo, or ilang engagements na, ilang clicks na, ilang likes na. So, it's very convenient kumpara sa magpo-post ka on your timeline sa Facebook account. So, it's very simple, and what you're going to do next is you have to customize it. Pwede ka nang mag-post dito. Create post. Ayan. Sobrang loading ng internet sa Pilipinas. Hi mga ka-sell-sell. Parang ang bastos. Basta, pwede ka nang magpasiunang post dyan, or greetings, or ayan. So, nakikita mo. Good thing about Facebook page is you can see kung ilang engagement or ilang tao na yung na-reach mo based on the analytics na pinaprovide niya dito. You can also boost post, and I will tackle that one sa susunod nating mga videos. So, yun, may Facebook page ka na, and you can start selling. Dito may add button dito, so it's up to you if your page is for nagtitinda ka ng ulam, so pwedeng order food, book now kung yung page mo is for consultation or nag-o-offer ka ng services. Call now if gusto mong makareceive ng mga tawag mula sa customers, or contact us. Pwede ding send message. Pinaka popular itong send message. So the moment I click to ng customer, mare-redirect siya doon sa Facebook page messenger mo in which pwede rin gumawa ng chatbot na di mo na kailangan 24 hours magbantay para may mag-reply sa inyong possible customers. So basically, this is now the page and pwede ka na mag-invite ng mga friends to like your page and mag-grow ka ng inyong Facebook page in an organic way. Pwede ring mag-boost. Okay? And you can add your products now and kung anong-anong mga pakulo mo as an entrepreneur. So that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something. This is very basic, but I hope in the coming videos we will explore more in depth about Facebook marketing and business and social media.
That's it for today's video, and if you have some suggestions about Facebook marketing or anything in between about business and social media, please don't fail to comment down below and request something for our upcoming videos na gagawin natin. And please, if you haven't subscribed yet, di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please do consider subscribing and kindly hit that subscribe button, notification bell, para ma-notify kayo sa ating next uploads. I will see you again next time.